Hey y'all, good morning. So I am cleaning up the living room, Isaiah's toys and things like that. We had a very fun-filled day yesterday looking at houses and, you know, dreaming, of course. And I did not clean or do laundry or anything like that, which is what I typically try and do on the weekends. So that did not get done this weekend, so I'm doing it this morning. And I just took my pre-workout and I wanted to show you guys what I take. I'm pretty sure everyone, Academy carries it. I bought mine off of Amazon. I bought everything off of Amazon, so I'll link everything that I am using down below for you. But the Cellular, I think that's how you pronounce it, C4, the original pre-workout. You take this 20 to 30 minutes before you go and kill your workout. So it's been about 10 minutes for me. Yes, Isaiah? Yeah, we're gonna go outside, hold on. And so I bought this in the orange flavor. It's okay. It's definitely not the best. I typically go for like blue raspberry everything all the time, but I just wanted to try something different because I have another pre-workout downstairs, the Amino Energy. I'll put that down below too, that I use. So I have two of them just because I do. So yeah, so I got this. And then of course, I love, this is my favorite protein powder to use. It's the Optimum Nutrition Gold. And this is in double rich chocolate. I love the double rich chocolate flavor. It's really good with like chocolate almond milk to give you like a really nice protein shake. I actually use it as a meal replacement. That's just what I like to do and what works best for me. So I'll add in other stuff into it. No fruits or anything like that because I actually don't like smoothies like with fruit in it. So I'll add in maybe some almonds, some dried oats, and a little bit of cinnamon to my shakes. And this is in the 1 pound bag. I like to get them like this. So I got another one. I like to get smaller bags just so that I don't waste it, because I've wasted the big containers before. And so I'm just like, I'll just stick with the smaller bag. This was like $15 and it works perfect for me. And then I got this was my first time trying this one. So this is my first time trying this brand. No, I've tried it like in the already made shakes, the Muscle Milk. This is Muscle Milk. Hold on. So I've tried it like in the already made shakes before, and it's pretty good there. So I was looking at Whitney Simmons, who I love here on YouTube. She definitely motivated me last year, and she's so easy to watch. She's got a great personality. She's very relatable too, so I really love her. She's realistic. I just like that girl. So anyways, enough about Whitney. It's about me. She uses this, so I tried it, and I got the vanilla cream flavor and the Muscle Milk. Huh? Uncle coming. No, Uncle's not coming. I don't think. You want to call him? Come right in. Okay, go get my phone on the couch and then you can call. That. Maybe this pre-workout is starting to kick in because I'm rambling like nobody's business. So I'm gonna finish it up and I'm gonna get dressed, put my hat on, get Isaiah's clothes on. I need to vacuum first. And then we're gonna go outside because it's supposed to be 101 today and right now it's 87. So if I can get outside within the next 20 minutes and do a 30-minute workout, then I'm good. So we're gonna go and take a walk. We have our water, I have my phone, keys, and camera. Let's go. I'm trying to get my mile in. It's definitely a little warm outside, but it's not too bad. It could definitely be worse. Nothing bothers me more. This is why I don't go walking by myself, for a few reasons. Or I stopped. Is because of loose dogs. Nothing irritates me more than having owners not have their dog on a leash. I don't care what time of day it is. I don't care if you think nobody is out, because that has happened to me and Isaiah before a couple times, and it's just not safe. So anyways, and there's some owners right now that have a dog loose. I get it, they probably just walked around the block, but it doesn't matter to me. Next is safety. So much is going on in this world. You just can never be too, you know, just be aware of your surroundings. And every few steps, I always look the back of me. I don't care if I look crazy doing it. All right guys, so we just made it outside. I had to put some stuff in the laundry, and it is already 93 degrees. So we are gonna be out here for only like 10 minutes. And that's about it. So here we go. Put this maybe right here. Yes, baby. Huh? No, mama not running today. Mommy doing other stuff. You run. I always try to tell somebody to run. Dang it. Oh, but we're gonna do some. Can you scoot over? You smell like poopy. Did you take poo-poo? Yes, you did. Isaiah, move. That's what I gotta deal with. Okay, get your ball. And you do what mommy doing. Sit down. Come on, sit down. Isaiah, you just farting? You so nasty. Sit down. Don't fart by me. Okay, ready? We're gonna do, I don't know, as many as we can. What do you do like this? 2, 3. I'm tired, y'all. I'm done. You done? You ready to eat? Yeah, cutting off. Bye, guys.